Video editing is an art that transforms raw footage into a captivating and seamless visual story. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, content creator, or simply someone who enjoys sharing videos online, mastering the basics of video editing is essential for creating engaging and polished content. Today we will explore key aspects of video editing, including commonly used techniques, tools, and what sets a sought-after editor apart from the rest. Commonly used techniques by editors. Successful video editing involves a combination of technical skills and creative intuition. Editors employ various techniques to enhance the visual appeal and narrative flow of their videos. One fundamental skill is the ability to cut and arrange clips to create a cohesive story. This includes choosing the right shots, trimming unnecessary footage, and establishing a smooth rhythm, all while maintaining a good pace, keeping the interest, and building cohesive sequences. Color grading is another essential tool that editors use to enhance the overall look and feel of a video, giving the video a soul, essentially. Adjusting color tones, contrast, and saturation can dramatically impact the mood and atmosphere of the footage. A well-executed color grade can elevate the production value and make the video more visually appealing. Storytelling skills. Video editing is not just about manipulating images, it's about telling a compelling story. Editors must possess storytelling skills to effectively convey the intended message or evoke specific emotions. This involves understanding the narrative structure, pacing, and the art of building suspense or tension. A skilled editor can turn a collection of clips into a cohesive and emotionally resonant story that captivates the audience. Transitions. Transitions play a crucial role in connecting different scenes and maintaining the flow of video. There are various types of transitions, each serving a specific purpose. Transition packs offer a range of pre-designed effects that editors can easily apply to their projects. These are useful for adding a professional touch without spending hours fine-tuning each transition. In-camera transitions involve creative techniques executed during filming, such as whip pans or match cuts. These techniques add a dynamic and seamless quality to the video, enhancing the viewer's experience. On the other hand, old-school cinematic transitions, like J and L cuts, involve manipulating the audio to create smooth transitions between scenes, contributing to a more natural and engaging viewing experience. One key rule: don't overuse them. It can either make your video interesting or repetitive, so time those transitions well. Sound design. While visuals are crucial, sound design is equally important in video editing. A well-crafted soundtrack, appropriate background music, and strategically placed sound effects can significantly enhance the overall impact of a video. Editors must have a keen ear for audio details, ensuring that the sound complements the visuals and reinforces the intended mood. What makes an editor sought after? An editor becomes sought after not only for their technical proficiency, but also for their ability to bring a unique creative vision to each project. Attention to detail, a deep understanding of storytelling, and the capacity to collaborate effectively with other creatives are essential qualities. A sought-after editor continually hones their skills, stays updated on industry trends, and adapts to new technologies. Communication is key in the editing process. An editor who can understand and translate the director's or creator's vision into a polished product is highly valuable. Additionally, meeting deadlines, being open to feedback, and maintaining a positive attitude contribute to an editor's professional reputation. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering the basics of video editing involves a combination of technical skills, creative intuition, and a deep understanding of storytelling. Whether using commonly employed techniques, perfecting transitions, refining sound design, or possessing sought-after qualities, video editors play a crucial role in bringing visual stories to life. As technology evolves, so do the possibilities in video editing, making it an exciting and dynamic field for those who strive for excellence in their craft. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button.